Hi friends, today we will understand the difference between inheritance and heredity. You all have came across these two terms in genetics, right? So let's start this lecture and see what understanding we make in the end. If we define the two terms, so we can say heredity, also called as inheritance or biological inheritance, is the passing on of trait from parents to the offspring either through asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. So when I have said this definition, definitely a thought may have came to your mind that I am using these terms as alike. So why we are talking about the difference? Actually, there is a small difference between these two terms and we all should know the difference. Okay, so let's talk about it. So when we talk about feature, traits or behavior, okay, so when feature, trait or behavior is transferred from parent and offspring, so that process is known as heredity. Okay, so what is feature or what is trait? They are similar terms, feature and trait. You can use either trait or features. So we will take a small example. As on the right hand side we can see there is an image of parent and the child. Okay, so if we mark him as the father, okay, and her as mother, so she's definitely, I think she's daughter only. Okay, so we can see that father and mother are having very different features like the color of the hair, the skin color, nose shape, lips shapes, then eyes size. These are different, okay, in both of them. So the offspring or the child born from these two parents will either resemble any one of them or both of them. Okay, means he or she will be having some features, mixed features, either from father or mother, or she can have more features from father and less features from mother, or more features from more features from mother and less features from mother. Okay, so let's check this girl how she is. So we can see that she shares the same hair color as her father, then the skin shape of the nose, lips, eyes, eyebrows, all are similar to her father only she shares this pimple with her mother, right? So what we can say, that oh my god, she resembles her father only. So I think this happens to you all also. Whenever some relatives or friends or guests come to your home, they may be telling you that okay, you are just like your father or you are just like your mother. Okay, so how you are like to your parents? Because they have transferred, they have shared some of their features, traits to you. Okay, behavior means like any activity, the anger, like one of the parent is having bad temper, you are also having a bad temper. So sometime you may heard that your mother may be telling you you are just like your father. Okay, so this is behavior, only example. Okay, so this process is known as heredity. So now comes the inheritance. So these feature or traits, okay, or behavior are the information which are packed in genes which are passed on to offspring by a process known as inheritance. Okay, so these feature, traits or behavior which we were talking about in case of heredity, they are packed in genes. They are packed in genes in a form of genetic information. So whenever we talk about the genetic information, the transfer of genetic information from parent to offspring, we will use the term inheritance. So I think you all know genes. Okay, a quick review I will give about genes, and in detail we will go in our other lecture. Okay, what is genes, what are DNAs, what is cell, everything. Okay, so you all know that DNA is a double-stranded helical protein structure. Okay, so it contains genes. The basic unit of DNA or the smallest unit of DNA is known as genes. These genes contain very important informations. Okay, and these informations are transferred from parent to the child. Okay, so these are known as genetic information. Okay, genetic, you know what is genetics. So genetics is the branch of science that deals with the genes or the study of genes. Okay, branch of science which deals with the study of genes is known as genetics. So Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Okay, he is the brilliant scientist, and we will cover a lecture on him, on his theories, okay, and how he became the father of genetics. So for just now you all should know that he is known as the father of genetics. Okay, so when we were talking about genetic information, there are two terms which also comes in light. This is dominance and recessive. So what happened when we are talking that these feature traits are behavior, these are packed in genes and they are shared as a genetic information from parent to offspring, right? So for example, when we have talked about this girl, we have seen that she is somewhat like her father, but she is not like her mother. Okay, she resembles more like her father. So why is this happening? Actually what happened, when genes are shared, this girl is having both, means both genes of her mother and father, but some of the genes are expressed and some of the genes are not expressed, right? So the genes which are expressed, those are known as dominant genes, and which are not expressed or suppressed, remain suppressed, those are known as recessive genes. Okay, actually dominance gene, what will it will not, it will actually, it will block the recessive gene. It will not allow them to be expressed. Okay, so this is dominance and recessive. If I have to give one word to these terms, so anything that is oppressed or expressed is known as dominance, and which is suppressed or not expressed, that is known as recessive. Okay, so we can see like this girl, this daughter may be having both genes. If we talk about the hair color, she may be having the dark hair color genes also and the blonde hair color genes also, but the blonde hair color was recessive one and the dark hair color were dominant, so therefore she got a dark hair color. Okay, I think I have make a clear understanding of dominance and recessive. We will talk in detail about these terms in our other videos. Okay, so I now the whole lecture which I have covered, now the whole lecture I have covered, the idea was to share with you the difference between the inheritance and the heredity, and I think I have make it clear that when feature, trait or behavior is transferred from parent to offspring, that is known as heredity, and when a genetic information is transferred from parent to offspring, we call the process is known as inheritance. So both are process. In one case we are talking about feature and traits, and in other case we are talking about genetic information. They are used alike because these genetic information contains the feature and trait behavior information only. Okay, but the clear understanding should be there. So I think we are okay with it. Any questions, any comments you want to do, you can make in the comment section. Like my channel, subscribe it, and please share it. Thank you. Bye bye.